Hey guys, this is Susan from smokergrillgirl.com, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be cooking something fast and simple on the grill. So what we have here is some chicken drumsticks, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seasoning it with this applewood seasoning from Drumettes, and all it takes is an hour, about 45 minutes to an hour. And what you want to do is you want to first put them on the grill. You're going to smoke them, set the settings to smoke, and we're going to smoke them for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes are up, we're going to turn the heat up to 350 and cook them for another 20 to 30 minutes until the temperature, the internal temperature, reaches at the minimum 170. Drumsticks today, and we are cooking them on smoke for 30 minutes, and then we're going to turn the heat up to 350. And what we did was we actually seasoned them with this applewood rub, and we're going to see how they turn out for the first time of cooking some drumsticks. And we'll be back in 30 minutes to flip them and turn up the heat. So it's been 30 minutes since they've been smoking on the grill, so we're going to go ahead and open them up and show you how they look, as well as take the temperature. Check the temperature. So this is them smoking for 30 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and just stick the thermometer into the fattest part of one of them and show you what the temperature, or what it is. So it's 120. So what we're going to go ahead and do is take the thermometer out of it, close this up, go ahead and bump up the volume, or bump up the temperature. Bump up the temperature to 350. Alright, we're going to go ahead and let them cook for another 30 minutes. Alright, so they've been on the grill for 30 minutes at 350, so we're going to go ahead and check the temperature. And they should be a 170 to know that they're done and we can pull them off. So I'm just going to stick the thermometer in there. Help turn it on. Oh yeah, they're done. So we're going to go ahead and remove them from the grill. Next we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to do a burn off on the grill. And what you want to do is every time you're done cooking on it, you want to go ahead and turn the temperature up all the way to high, and then just close the lid and just let it do a natural burn off. And we're going to go ahead and take these inside, let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and come back and we're going to do a taste test. Alright guys, so the chicken has rested for 5 minutes, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tear off a small piece, and we're going to take a bite of it. Go ahead and taste the skin part. It's very juicy. It has a nice smoky flavor to it. So again, there you go. That's how you can make a fast dinner if you don't have a lot of time to do a long cook on the grill. Just throw some drumsticks on there and they'll be done in about an hour. So be sure and visit my website at smokergrillgirl.com, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.